The best doghouse heaters are not just limited to the dog only, but can also be used in any other pet house. This is important in maintaining the right temperature during winter and cold seasons. Besides, they can help curb the spread of germs, bacteria, and parasites that may harm your dog's health. The ideal temperature for your pet house is between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. But when you live in cold climates, it's hard to maintain that temperature without an expensive heating system. This doggy house heater will solve that problem, and it does it cheaply too. Hello friends, and welcome to another segment of Consumer Sherpa. Rest assured you'll find the best dog heater for you. Carry on to find out which of the best dog heaters tops our list. Let's go. AKOMA HOUND Heater Doghouse Heater. Toasty, warm, and energy efficient, the AKOMA heater for doghouse uses a heat exchange system to deliver safe heat to your doghouse. It features an adjustable thermostat that automatically cycles the heater on and off until the desired temperature is reached. Powered by a 300-watt heating element, this furnace is rated for 100,000 on-off cycles. The unit will never burn out and has a stainless steel guard for your pet's safety. This device will keep your dog warm and healthy without any hot air blowing on them. The thermo-sensing bulb turns on at 20 degrees Fahrenheit, turns off at 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The metal guard protects the bulb from breaking and protects your pet from a glass break. It is economical, safe, effective, and features a thermostatically controlled wattage that can be adjusted for different climates. Also, it has a built-in thermo-sensing bulb that delivers dry, radiant heat. Dogs will love this comfort heater, and it's low enough to the ground so that even a small dog can lay comfortably on a heated bed. The heater is quiet, designed for the outdoors, and the flexible heating element can be oriented vertically or horizontally. The internal thermostat automatically maintains the ideal temperature for your pet. With no tools required, installation couldn't be easier. This heater is ready to go right out of the box. All you need is a screwdriver and hammer. The heat comes with all brackets and fasteners, as well as 2 pre-cut hole sizes. No hazardous wiring, just plug it in. The AKOMA HOUND heater is one of the most sought-after heaters for doghouses in the world. It's a doghouse heater that produces radiant dry heat for pet housing. The thermocube regulates the heating element, so you're not heating without a pet present. And with an exclusive internal heat shield that protects all wires and components from the damage of overzealous chewers, you get a longer life product that's smartly designed to be more humane. A 30-inch cord, which may double over itself to take up less space, makes installation quick and easy. This is a heater and fan combination that'll keep your dog warm and comfortable all winter long. This HOUND Heater Deluxe features a patented baffle system that forces heat from the heating element down and across the entire back of the doghouse for maximum heat distribution, so no cold spots. This HOUND heater model protects against overheating and provides for a longer life expectancy as compared to other units. DeLonghi MICA THERMIC Panel Heater. DeLonghi MICA Thermal Panel Heater packs 1,500 watts of heating power to quickly and efficiently heat an entire room and is one of the most capable dog heaters for outside. With its flat panel technology, you can set on the floor or mount on the wall to make it a space-saving feature in your extra-large heated doghouse. The unique design does not obstruct your view or take up unnecessary amounts of space. Choose from multiple heat settings and programmable timer to customize your dog heating needs. The MICA Thermal Panel Heater provides fast and powerful 1,500-watt heat for immediate warmth. Featuring an adjustable thermostat, this heater offers 3 power settings: minimum 700 watts, medium 1,000 watts, and maximum 1,500 watts. Its elegant design allows for discrete wall mounting or floor use, and the easy-to-use digital controls go from 0 to 100 with the push of a button. The included remote control lets you control the temperature from the comfort of your chair, which will be a wise choice for your doghouse. Enjoy maximum warmth and comfort with the advanced features of this heater. We shouldn't forget the patented thermal slots, which allows more heat to flow into the room while maintaining a low surface temperature. With a contemporary design and soft touch controls, this innovative portable heater is ideal for any room in the house, office, or dorm. For extra-large heated doghouse, the MICA Thermal Panel Heat System's deep penetrating infrared warmth efficiently warms objects in the room, providing exceptional coziness and a low surface temperature, making it safe for pets. A built-in timer lets you create a heating schedule without wasting energy. Program it to turn on before you wake up or come home from work. Its slim design and easy grip handle makes moving the heater from place to place easy, saving you money by only heating the rooms you need when you need them. In addition, the fully assembled unit includes back wheels for easy transportation to your pet's house. Looking for a more efficient way to keep your dog living space cozy during winter months? This fairly lightweight, panel-style heater offers quick heat on the coldest days. A convection system pushes warm air evenly around an entire room, and so it's simple to use. Just point and select your settings using the easy-to-read control panel. Doghouse heater. This heater comes with rounded corners to avoid injury in case of a collision. Designed with a 6-foot metal anti-bite cord, it's made strong and durable, and is one of the best outdoor heated doghouses for use any time in the season. Easily set the timer to turn on and off from 0 to 24 hours, giving you the flexibility in how long you heat your pet's home. This device is designed and sold by Pet NF and is finished with metal, stainless steel, and thermal plastic for small heated doghouses. The heating element, metal housing, and control housing all provide good safety features. With your iPhone or Android device and free app, you can turn the heater on and off from anywhere in the world. Once your pet is comfortable, you can control the temperature from 85 to 106 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a smart doghouse heater which is controlled remotely. You're now able to change the indoor temperature and humidity through your phone or Wi-Fi anytime, anywhere. Besides, you can also set your pet's regular feeding and drinking time on it. Also, it'll automatically feed every 30 minutes when you're out of home until you come back. This heater is perfect for your lovely pet in cold weather. Once the temperature in the pet house falls below 40 degrees, the heater turns on and raises the temperature to 50 degrees. Once the pet house reaches 50, the heater will turn off and wait to repeat until needed. The outdoor dog heater requires no electricity inside your pet's house, so you can be assured of their safety in hazardous weather conditions. Made from ABS plastic with a metal wrap and a ceramic heating element, this powerful heater comes with 4 waterproof heating pads for superior heat transfer and protection against overheating, as well as an internal heat shield for safety. It is thermostatically controlled and has overheating protection, so you can leave it running all day while you're away. Also, the durable vinyl cover can be easily cleaned, waterproof, and will provide a long life in even the most severe elements. This 300-watt heater is safe and easy to use, allowing your pet to relax in comfort via the thermostatically controlled to warm your pet's normal body temperature when in use. Electrically insulated, steel-wrapped 5.5-foot cord with polarized plug, waterproof vinyl cover, heats approximately 10 to 20 cubic feet for indoor or outdoor use in all animal types. Thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, kindly give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We'd love to know your thoughts on the list. For more information on the items featured in our list of best doghouse heaters, check the links in the description box below. You might want to turn on the notification bell now so you get notified once we upload our next video.